Welcome to Elm House, home to Brighton School of Business and Law, right here on the Moulsecoomb campus. We are just a short walk away from the campus halls, gym, food shops and Moulsecoomb train station, so everything here is right on your doorstep. You can get here by bus, train and even bike with cycle paths leading into the city, and we also have a car park for commuter students, so let's go and take a look inside. The foyer is one of the places where you'll often find pop-up events like our Careers Festival. This is the Book and Bean, one of our on-campus cafes, perfect for a coffee break, lunch or study catch-up. We have a range of food and drinks or post-study snacks. Next to the cafe, you'll find the student lounge, which has lockers and other chill spaces, which is really handy for if you commute and don't want to carry your stuff around the whole day. Elm House is designed to feel like a professional workplace. The classrooms and seminar spaces are modern and flexible. If you study business law or marketing, then you'll have your lectures here.
Hi, come with me. Hi, I'm Vanshika. I study accounting and finance. Welcome to our Bloomberg suite, a place where we get real-time experience using the same software that financial professionals use every day. Here we use it to track stock prices, explore global markets, analyze industries, and follow live economic news. Everything you learn here can be applied to the real world.
All of our courses have the option of hands-on learning, from placements to live client modules. You'll be ready to make an impact when you graduate. On the third floor, the school office is here to help with any support that you may need. Whether that is about your course, timetable, or just general advice, they are here to help you. Just knock on the door. There are study spaces across all floors, like quiet corners, to open group areas where you can take a break or work with friends. The building's open design means you're never far away from a friendly face. It really feels like a community here. And that's Elm House. If you want to come and see it for yourself and explore more of our campus, then come and visit us.